Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can quick draw in Red Dead Redemption 2 on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you.
As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explains perfectly how you can quick draw on Red Dead Redemption 2. So right now we're gonna jump right to the guide. So right now, the first thing that you need to do guys is hold down the left trigger. Lightly squeeze the right trigger and wait for the bar in the bottom right to fill up. Press down hard on the right trigger. When you see unsavory character out and about or someone that you don't much take a liking to, hold down the left trigger to keep your camera focused on them. As you can see guys right here. After that, when you feel confident that they are in your line of sight, upon pulling out your revolver, lightly hold the right trigger until a circular bar in the bottom right corner of the screen has been filled up. Then press down the rest of the way on the right trigger and Arthur Morgan will pull out his revolver and be able to fire away at one or more painted enemies. It's fairly simple once you get the hang of it. Reasons to quick draw. Players might ask themselves why bother with quick draw at all instead of just entering dead eye. There are two great reasons for this. First, Arthur will start off by aiming at the target with quick draw, meaning there is no time wasted trying to focus on the enemy. Second, Arthur will have his gun out at the beginning of the dead eye, so there is no time wasted waiting for Mr. Morgan to pull his gun. For a resource as limited as Deadeye is, this tactic essentially saves the most valued mechanic in the game from emptying out. It's like getting one of the best upgrades in the game simply for pulling this move off. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.